Hello, great people. I have some exciting news. So, I got May the 25th off. So, I'm gonna work from home to make up my hours for May 25th. May 25th is a Saturday. So, not this Saturday, but next Saturday, I will be going to visit the Hello Kitty Cafe truck that travels around, the states. So I'm excited about that. One of my coworkers picked up my shift because I ended up dropping my shift for May 25th. Oh, I dropped that shift for like 2 weeks. It actually felt like 3 weeks. But yeah, somebody finally picked it up. I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't wait. Right now, I am just getting myself together. Let me tell y'all something. It's not easy trying to multitask and drink coffee and get some work hours in and sit here and try to contemplate how I'm gonna clean up really fast in my bedroom because my bedroom is driving me nuts. Ooh, that room is driving me crazy. I can't wait to move, and I'm not gonna talk about it all the time about moving, but oh, it's clean, but I just want more space. Wait, am I looking in the camera? Okay, make sure I'm looking in the camera. Made some coffee because your girl need to get out of her laziness. Yes, I've been lazy lately. Like, I wake up early because I'm already an early bird, and then I would go back to sleep. But we can't do that today on this lovely Wednesday. What's today? May the 15th? Yeah, we can't be sleeping all day. No. And I'm so thankful I get sleepy and I take my butt to sleep at night because I can't stay up late. A little late, but not too late. And then tomorrow I'll get up early and I'll work on the computer for a few hours. I mean tablet, I'm saying computer. Well, pretty much like a computer. Okay, same thing. Yeah. And I'm also trying to debate if I'm gonna go to Sam's Club today. And it's like, girl, I was thinking in the kitchen, I was like, what do I need to buy? What do I need to buy? I know I need to get some more instant coffee. Well, I should have purchased some instant coffee from the dollar store the other day, but I didn't. Everything is so expensive. I don't know, today would be a nice day to go to Sam's Club. I used to buy everything in wholesale, but I think I'm gonna get back into doing that, buying cereal in wholesale. That way, I'm not running back and forth to the store, if you get what I mean, because today is one of those days your girl do not want to leave the house, to be honest with you. But I know I got to do something, okay? And I can buy everything I need at Sam's Club and don't have to worry about it anymore throughout the month. So I'm trying to figure out everything that I need to do, everything, so I can get the budget out of the way and I ain't gotta worry about going to the store anymore, okay? Let me just get this budget out of the way. And I think for a little bit, I'm gonna stop using a budget throughout the month. I'm gonna really try to not spend any money because I'm gonna already have everything that I need. Getting ready to clean up my Gremlin's room right over there. I need to figure out how I can get this artificial plant to just stay like the way that it is. Because every time I come over here to like turn on the light or something, the plant goes that way. Let me tell y'all the level of pettiness I've been on today with pranking my ex-boyfriend. Well, it started last night when I text him back telling him I miss him. And of course, it's all a lie. I mean, I don't have nothing bad to say about my ex-boyfriend, but girl, I am not taking him back. But sometimes he contacts me, so he tried to keep like his little tabs on me. So I figured late last night, early in the morning, that I should just prank him. I texted him, told him that I missed him. As a matter of fact, let me get the phone. Let me just stop being petty, because I'm petty Yvonne today, okay? Like, this is a revenge prank in a funny way, because he know he not right, okay? And I know, okay, so the reason why you keeping in contact with me in some type of way is to see if there's a chance if I'm gonna take you back. But I'm not gonna take you back. Wait, hold on, y'all. Okay, let me make sure that I have everything. Ooh, it is getting late. It is getting late, but I'll see y'all in a minute. They also have this storage container, like a radio boombox storage container. And I want to open it up inside, but they have this plastic over it. But anywho, I think it's so cute. I would use this for
they have here. Ooh, and they also have this little shaped mirror right here, which is really cute and different. And it also has like a hook on the back of it to hang it on the wall. I'm kind of debating if I want to get this. This is the only one I see. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bathroom. And they also have this round storage container thing. It's really cute with the... I need this travel pillow for traveling. It's really cute. It's a unicorn. And then they also have these baskets. This is an artificial penny eucalyptus, but I prefer just having the real dried penny eucalyptus, but this is cute. I just like the real stuff though. So I would never buy the artificial one, but don't get me wrong, this plant is nice. And they also have the metal gold basket. These are kind of heavy. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. This is a cute vase. Pretty beautiful. You can put like some beautiful tulips up in there or roses, girl, and just have it going on. Love it. Speaking of tulips, these are some pretty tulips. I love some purple lavender tulips. And I'm not sure which scent beads I want to get. Not sure. Never tried this one, so I think I might get this one. This one is called Calm. Oh, never seen these before. Never seen this before. This is the 1 and 3 triple bounty paper towels. This is different. It's like little legs. That's actually cute too. And then we have this side table stand, I'm guessing. I don't know what that is. It has this marble-ish thing here. And then this is cute for a side table. And it has the drawer. Nice for the bedroom. I thought this was a pillow. I don't know what that is. That's cute. Trying to think of something to get for his room. And we got that checkered right there. And then this is nice, something to sit on. And a little storage thingy here. Now I'm thinking about getting this lamp. I love the little marble at the bottom. I think I showed this before in one of my vlogs, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this today, and I'm gonna put the other lamp. This is a giant pretty pillow. I don't know if y'all can see. Really cute. I have a small one like this at home. But very cute. And here, and a Hello Kitty fleece. Thought I'd show you. They have the melon. Throw pillow. Really cute. That would be like a cute little gift set. My son would love this Mario towel. I think I'm gonna get that for him. Yeah, my son would love this Mario towel. I wish they had some washcloths like in the blue color. They have them like in that gray. And then they have the white. I love this washcloth. I'm gonna see if they have some more washcloths. Let me see. Yeah, I want dark colors for our washcloths. I love these plates. I think I want to probably purchase one, but I love the color, especially for the summertime. Plastic bowls are cute. Love the aesthetic. And they also have the cereal bowl in like this cream color. This one is more of a lighter color. And this one is cream. I love this hot pink water bottle. It's like a Starbucks water bottle. Cute. Now, I know I don't need to get another cutting board, but this cutting board is so cute with the black handles.